Can you tell that the background I am right now is not real? Yes, I am in a fake background. So yes, you can actually change the background of your videos. So if you don't like the background of your videos, you can actually change it to whatever you like. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the background of your videos to be like whatever you want, right? Want your background to be aesthetically pleasing. And maybe that's the reason you have not even been posting videos. Because you don't like the background that you are, then you are in luck today, because I'm going to be showing you how to change the backgrounds you don't like. So the app we're going to be using is CapCut app. Right now I'm going to be sharing my phone screen to show you how you can change the background of your videos. The first thing you need to do is download the photo you want to use as your background. Now, to download this photo, you can download from Canva or from Pexels, right? So to download from Pexels, just go to Google, type Pexels. Then when you go to the site, you're going to see a lot of free images you can use. So when you see what you like, just download and you can use it as your background. Another place you can get images to use for your background is from Canva. All you need to do is when you get to Canva, search for YouTube thumbnail. No, we are not creating a thumbnail, but we want the photo to be the same size with a YouTube thumbnail. Now, when you are here, remember why we came here is because we want to get a photo to use for our background. So go to photos, search for a background you want, right? So you can search for living room or a bedroom or a minimalist room, and then you're going to see a lot of photos to use. So just choose any one you like, then resize it to cover the space, then download. After downloading, the next thing is to head over to CapCut, because that's where we're going to be changing the video background. So when you're on CapCut, click on new project and then choose the photo. The photo is what you're going to choose first, the photo you just downloaded. After that, tap overlay, then add overlay, then go ahead and choose the video you want to remove the background. So the background photo comes first, followed by the video you want to remove the background. Now you can see that my video has been imported. The next thing I'm going to do now is to change the background. So to change the background, tap on the video. Yes, you must make sure that the video is selected. Then go to remove BG. Remove BG, then tap on auto removal. With this auto removal, the background of the video is going to be removed. Then wait for some time, because it takes a while for the background to be completely removed. Now the background is removed, so just click on the video right now and adjust to fit into the background. And that's it. You can see how seamless it looks. So that is it on how to change the background of your videos. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and see ya.